Alrighty, y'all. Now that I've got my French vanilla ice cream in here, along with my 2 small cans of pumpkin puree, I am just coming in with some sweetened condensed milk. Now, if you haven't used pumpkin puree by itself, it is not sweet at all, so you do have to add sweetener to it. I'm using some granulated sugar along with the sweetened condensed milk. Now we're gonna come in with our pure vanilla extract, and we're not gonna be shy about this. We're gonna put in about 3 teaspoons for that beautiful vanilla flavor. I'm gonna add in some cinnamon sugar. Now you could just use regular cinnamon if you prefer, but I happen to have cinnamon sugar on hand, so why not? Some ground nutmeg. Look at that. Ooh, I love the smell of nutmeg. We've got some ground allspice. You might kind of see where we're going with this. Very fall flavor forward here. A little bit of ginger, also good for digestion and nausea. And you know what? So is the pumpkin. I actually like to give, there we go. I give pumpkin puree to my dogs in their food at dinner. And some ground cloves. Like I said, all these spices are pumpkin, everything here, good for the digestion. Now I've just got some heavy whipping cream. And we are just gonna add this. It's this thick texture, but I just bought it, so it should be absolutely fine. And I'm just gonna pour in about half of this bottle, or about 2 cups. I'm just measuring it by feel. And now for the star of the show, our Starbucks coffee. This is a medium roast, but you can always use a dark or a light roast if you prefer. I just went with the medium because I figured it was a good in the middle for everyone. Alrighty, I'm gonna put the lid straight onto my crock pot here. I'm gonna put this on high. It's gonna need at least an hour, but maybe closer to 2 hours, and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, we have this just going for about an hour and a half on high, and everything is melted. Now I'm just gonna make sure it's all stirred in and well combined. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Those spices, our pumpkin puree, our little bit of coffee in here, little bit of sweetness. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is perfect for your little Halloween party. You know, who doesn't love a pumpkin spice latte? And this is just an easy version that you can make and share with all of your friends. Whoa, my scary skull cup here. I'm just gonna add some of our delicious beverage right in. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be hot. Hot, 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 hot. But that's gonna be okay. Now, it wouldn't be complete without a little bit of whipped cream right on top. And I'm just pop a little bit of cinnamon sugar right on there. Yum! Oh my goodness, y'all! It's Halloween time. I love it. This is incredible. Oh my God, it's so delicious, y'all. You've gotta try it.